Hi, hello, welcome to the Caffeinated Journal. My name is Shreya and I hope you're doing well. So, get your journaling supplies ready because today we shall be setting up our bullet journals for me. And if you're not journaling right now, maybe, grab a snack or a cup of coffee or tea, whatever you prefer. Alright, so I had asked on my Instagram for some theme suggestions and for May, and someone suggested me to do something around the lockdown slash quarantine or being at home, since we all are technically stuck at home. I did have an idea around it which was working out really good, but there was a lot of sketching involved in it. And honestly, for me, the time spent in making the spreads is inversely proportional to the time I actually spend using the journal. So I wanted to go for something simple and minimal, and that's when I remembered the daisy illustrations that Shada had made in her April setup. You saw me referring to that particular illustration in the start, and I decided to make all my spreads around daisies and use only one or more black pens. So I made the same illustration as Shada for the cover page and then repeated somewhat similar flowers to the rest of the monthly spreads. I decided to add some accent with the brown craft paper. Now again, this was inspired by Shada's March. I think it was March cover page. I'm not sure, but it was one of her monthly cover pages. I use old paper bags for it instead of like buying craft paper. Daisies, in my opinion, are one of the easiest flowers to draw. If you want me to do like a small tutorial, maybe on Instagram or something, on how to draw them, do let me know. Or you could even check out Shada's tutorials. I will leave a link to one of her tutorial videos from which I have referred to in the description box below. So if you want, you could check that out. She has a ton of tutorials on how to draw flowers. The page that you see me setting up right now is a social media tracker plus a content planner. Writing things down makes it really easy for me to post things on time, because otherwise I'm really someone who forgets to post and forgets what to post. I didn't like how I wrote the heading the first way, so I went over with a piece of craft paper, I mean, of course, a brown paper bag, and rewrote the whole thing. I think that is the easiest way to fix mistakes, and that's what I absolutely love. I had to make a Dutch door for the cover page because the theme was inspired by Shada. I decided to do my calendar a bit different this month because I was getting bored of doing the same thing over and over again. So the back of the Dutch door became the actual calendar, and the goals and monthly to-do list, etc., went on the right. I really love making my calendar in a vertical format, not only because it saves me a ton of time, but also because this more or less acts like a list in a way, and I can prioritize the tasks I need to get done each day. I usually highlight alternate lines in my calendar spread, but this time I decided to highlight the weekends. That way, it just creates a visual block for each week. I added a little calendar in the corner, and for now I've decided to leave the rest of the page blank, but I may end up adding some monthly highlights or maybe some affirmations in that space. But I really like it blank because of how the cover page Dutch door lays on top of it. So yeah, now moving on to the ideas page. I don't like calling it brain dump and hence ideas. I have done the same illustration, or rather a similar sort of an illustration on both sides. The other side is the expense tracker. I just make it into a list rather than drawing box. And also I'm sorry I did pop up into the frame here because I totally forgot I was filming it. So please excuse me for that. This honestly is the most minimal theme I've ever done. I don't usually make black and white spreads because I like color. As I said, I wanted to try something different. I did it, and let's see how this turns out. For seeing more journaling content, do follow me on Instagram. It's at the rate caffeinated journal underscore. I will have it linked below, and also will be linking all the products that I have used. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it with your friends who are just starting bullet journaling or like minimal spreads, and also subscribe to my channel for more content because it's free. See you soon. Bye. Take care. Stay home and stay safe.